Namaste brother, come back again with you guys. I'm Rizaldi here. So now we are in BSD city. So we're gonna take a look at what we're gonna get here. So come on. How about this place, brother? What do you think about this place?
Crowded.
So crowded.
So crowded.
Do you see how many people are here in here?
Maybe 70.
70 people. They're playing basketball. So in this place,
Basketball?
Basketballing.
Bowling.
So there are several type of the game. Any regular, VIP, and what? That's it.
Maybe just two.
two. Sekarang kita we want to take money first, right? First the Adam center over there. So we just finished play bowling and in Spincity. The price of admission is quite expensive. It's 200,000, and you have to rent other shoes to play the bowling. You can use your own shoes like that. Okay, so we're gonna go to the grab wheel center. We're gonna play that ride, and the price of admission is different with the others. You have to pay $8,000 to play 20 minutes of grab wheels. So let's check it out. So this is my favorite drink, Awe. A&W. I'm very like it. The taste is like minyak kayu putih. Do you know minyak kayu putih? The taste is same like this. So we've arrived in where? Q-Big, and we're gonna go to the museum. What is museum? What is the name of the museum? Moto Moto Museum. So now we are in a Moto Moto Museum. So the price of admission is quite expensive. It takes 100,000 in weekdays and 100,005 in weekend. But you can buy the packages for the restaurant too. So we see what in there. kita lihat ada mahasiswa akhir yang lupa liburan. Dingin nggak airnya?
Oh, dingin banget.
Alright, so we jump to the pool. Please like Lucy, my Kasihan kali nih si bapak nggak punya kaos kaki, nggak bisa ikutan. Alright, so now we are in the cube foam. Okay, so maybe that's all for today. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.